In front of me is REALME C75, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, then hold this line and drag it down. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned white. That means that location is off, but you can always switch it on by clicking on the same one. Now it's blue. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll to click on location section available here, and use this switcher to turn it off or switch it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!